Cresh AI just released, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Stick with me till the end, and I'll break down everything you need to make the most of this new AI tool. Plus, if you're wondering whether it's worth your time, I'll give you an honest take. You can even try Cresh AI for free by clicking the first link in the description, so keep watching to find out how. Let's kick things off by talking about Cresh AI's core feature, its ability to automate tasks that normally take hours. This software simplifies workflows across a range of industries, from digital marketing to customer service. Whether you're managing social media, creating content, or analyzing data, Cresh AI can save you a ton of time. It learns from your data inputs and gets smarter over time, making it a powerful tool for businesses looking to streamline operations. One of the standout features is its intuitive user interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to navigate through it. The learning curve is practically non-existent, meaning you can jump right into optimizing your business processes without worrying about complicated setups or steep learning curves. Now let's talk about personalization. Cresh AI's adaptability is a game changer. As it learns from your inputs, it tailors its recommendations specifically to your business. This means you can customize it to suit your needs, whether you're using it for social media management, content creation, or even customer support. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and that's what makes it so appealing. Another thing you'll love is its integration capabilities. Cresh AI seamlessly integrates with existing tools you're probably already using. Whether it's Google Analytics, Salesforce, or any other software, you can easily sync it into your daily workflow without missing a beat. This makes it a great option for those looking for a versatile AI solution. Let's get into the performance side of things. Cresh AI is optimized for speed. You can run multiple tasks at once without noticing any lag or slowdowns. For businesses that need to execute on a high volume of tasks, from generating reports to analyzing customer behavior, this software keeps up without breaking a sweat. And when it comes to data security, Cresh AI is built with advanced encryption features, making it a reliable option for handling sensitive business information. But here's where it gets interesting. Cresh AI has the potential to evolve with your business. While most software is static, Cresh continues to improve through machine learning and updates. This makes it a long-term investment for any business, especially in an era where AI tools are rapidly evolving. So, what you're investing in today could be even more valuable tomorrow. Before we wrap up, I want to quickly address a common question people have about new AI tools. Is it really worth it? The answer depends on your business needs, but if you're looking for efficiency and scalability, Cresh AI is a solid choice. The ability to automate tasks, personalize workflows, and integrate seamlessly with your existing tools can lead to significant time and cost savings. If you're curious, make sure you check out the first link in the description to try Cresh AI for free. You'll get first-hand experience with everything I've mentioned. And if you're on the hunt for the best AI tools, I've also compiled a list of my top recommendations in the description below. After testing thousands of AI solutions, these are the ones I trust the most. Cresh AI is an exciting addition to the AI software landscape, and it could be a game changer for businesses ready to adopt it. If you're tired of wasting time on repetitive tasks or looking to elevate your business operations, this tool is worth considering. Check it out for yourself and see how it fits into your workflow.